Hi students. Today I would like to explain the Rutherford atomic model. In Rutherford atomic model, Rutherford carried out experiment on the bombardment of atoms by high-speed positively charged particles emitted from radius and gave the following observations which was based on his experiment. This is the radioactive substance. This is the lead plate with hole, thin gold foil and curved surface plate. The radioactive substance passing through the gold foil, some of the rays are, that mean most of the rays are passing through plate and some of few rays are like this and the very few rays are coming back. That means most of the alpha particles, nearly 99%, continued with their straight path. Some of the alpha particles passed very close to the center of the atom and very few particles are coming back to the 180 degrees. Like this, these are beam of alpha particles. Very few particles are coming back to the 180 degrees. Very few are outside the path and majority of the alpha rays are passing like this. The main features of Rutherford atomic model is the atom of an element consists of a small positively charged nucleus which is situated at the center of the atom and which carries almost the entire mass of the atom. And the next one is that the electrons are distributed in the empty space of the atom around the nucleus in different concentric circular paths called orbits. The number of electrons in orbits is equal to the number of positive charges, that means number of protons in the nucleus. Hence, the atom is electrically neutral. And the volume of the nucleus is negligibly small as compared to the volume of the atom, and most of the space in the atom is empty. In Rutherford atomic model, he does not explain the sum, that is, this was not according to the classical theory of electromagnetism proposed by Maxwell. According to the theory, every accelerated charged particle must emit radiations in the form of electromagnetic waves and loses its total energy. So he could not explain stability. And another one is he could not explain the line spectrum of hydrogen spectrum. This is the Rutherford atomic model, students. Thank you.